Add a bar of soap to the boiling water and you will thank me. I stopped spending money. That's right, people. If you have solid soap at home, watch this video that I'm going to show you. A very useful tip. With this trick, you will learn to multiply that fragment of soap. The initial thing we will do is to chop the soap into small pieces. The positive thing about this recipe is that it is very economical, since a fragment of soap is valued at around 100 pesos. In the meantime, from what city are you watching us? I would love to know it and know if you like simple suggestions like this. After chopping the solid soap, we will place it all in the boiling water. Once this is done, we will proceed to mix with the collaboration of a tool until all the soap dissolves. Then we will need the mixer. If you prefer, you can also mix by hand, but it is faster with the mixer. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered soap. You can use the brand you prefer. Mix very well until it is homogeneous. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we will also use 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. This tip is very useful. If you apply it at home, I assure you that you will not regret it. I did it here at home and was delighted with the result. This procedure will leave our soap with glycerin. Then it is only a matter of mixing by hand. Once this is done, now I am going to put a little in this box because I want it to have this format. If you prefer, you can place it in a mold or even in plastic containers. You can let your imagination fly. Now we are going to close the boxes and let them rest overnight. After the time, observe how it turned out. Observe the consistency. Now it is only to unmold and cut to the size you prefer. As you can see, this yields a lot. You can use it to shower, wash your clothes, wash utensils. Observe the quantity. It is wonderful and extremely cheap. Observe how it foams. Many people do not know the power of homemade soap, but it is very useful. This is an effective glycerin soap. This is the secret of soap multiplication. I hope you liked it. A hug and see you in the next video.